Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix no signal issue on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so remove SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, you will see again insert SIM card. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset network settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.